In a significant step towards unity and growth, the Sawarin Company Church and Maur Organized Church have reconciled their differences, paving the way for Sawarin's future organization as an independent church. The reconciliation ceremony held at Maur SDA Church brought together leaders and members from both congregations, along with key mission representatives, including Mission Secretary Pastor Jeffery Saigomi, SSPM Director Pastor Michael Luce, and Education Director and the Senior Elder for Maur Church, Lancedown Wirise. The primary purpose of the gathering was to align Sawarin Company Church with Maur Organized Church, a necessary step according to church policy. This alignment requires full submission and subordination of the company church until it is deemed fit for organization. During the emotional ceremony, representatives from each group expressed remorse for past insubordination and sought forgiveness. The apologies were accepted by their counterparts, marking a new chapter in their relationship. Pastor Jeffery Saigomi delivered a powerful reconciliation message, emphasizing the importance of unity and furthering God's mission. He urged both churches to work together harmoniously for the advancement of God's kingdom. The initiative, spearheaded by District Director Pastor Raiden Wangi, was praised for its success in bringing the two churches together. The ceremony concluded with a special prayer offered by SSPM Director Pastor Michael Luce, sealing the commitment to unity and cooperation. This reconciliation is seen as a crucial step in strengthening the Seventh-day Adventist community in the region and sets a positive example for other churches facing similar challenges.